5 ways Crescent Industries avoids manufacturing mistakes and prevents errors before your injection molded project hits the production floor. Number 1. Injection molding requires certain fundamentals be followed for manufacturing. Design for manufacturing ensures these steps are taken upfront to uncover unforeseen problems. Without this early involvement, when moving to sampling and full production, possible time-consuming problems may occur. These problems are harder to deal with because it involves modifying steel in the fabricated mold. Crescent's design engineers will provide feedback and suggestions for optimized manufacturing. Number 2. Our design engineers use tools like 3D mold fill simulation software to virtually simulate the filling, packing, and cooling of a molded plastic part. An analysis can be done to look for potential issues like sink marks, warp, voids, excessive molding pressures, and temperatures, therefore making corrections before steel is cut for the mold. Another advantage of mold fill simulation is the ability to develop the molding process in advance for the production facility. Number 3. 3D printed parts are often a means for design risk reduction. Engineers and product designers integrate 3D printing during launching phases for their product. This provides a hands-on physical product for review and makes it easy to accurately test and evaluate new products, especially for complex designs or multi-part assemblies. This can all be done in the design phase of your project. Number 4. Plastic injection molding components are only as good as the injection mold that manufactures them. Crescent Industries journeyman toolmakers learn the trade through a combination of hands-on training and academic coursework, providing them the skill and knowledge to forge the complicated and precise cuts needed for the injection molds. This ensures your tool is fabricated correctly to manufacture your product to the required specifications. Number 5. Crescent Industries was established over 70 years ago strictly building injection molds, so you can say we have a lot of experience as tool builders, focused on continuously keeping up with technology and equipment to manufacture new tools. Our expertise ranges from single cavity to 96 cavity molds in a variety of configurations like mud, hot runner, action, 2-plate and 3-plate molds. To guarantee your next project starts off right, we invite you to take advantage of Crescent Industries' engineering benefits and expertise. Contact us today.